Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and this will be my first spring in my new home, and you know what that means, spring cleaning time, and ECOVACS has me covered this year. Now I'm hoping to keep my floors spotless, and the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni should do just that. Big thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and sending over our X9 Pro for us to check out, and I did do a video on the X8 Pro previously, so we will see if the X9 Pro is worth that extra $200 with some comparison shots. On top of that, ECOVACS has solved yet another pain point of robot vacuums, and that is this little brush just getting dirty when you are mopping, and their triple lift system has solved that. It will retract and get out of the way when it is mopping something to make sure it's not dirty, so we'll test that as well. The Osmo roller mop will actually lift up as well when it recognizes carpet to make sure you're not getting your carpet all wet. So we'll run this through, test out a lot of different things. There's even a new blast suction for larger debris. Run it through the ringer, do some obstacle courses, and a lot more. Let's get started. ECOVACS always does a great job with their design of their robot vacuums and even their Omni Station where it cleans and charges the robot. It looks so clean. I like the subtle accents. It looks really good in my home and it will look good in just about any home. They've introduced their new blast boosted large airflow suction technology, which will handle just about anything you throw at it. And while it has 16,600 PAs of suction, which may be less than even the X8 Pro, it's optimized the design to optimize suction at a lower volume, so you still get that powerful suction, but it's not going to make as much noise. That blast airflow technology has done a really good job at making sure all the dirt gets picked up, even in clumps. It's really passed all the tests I've thrown at it. Even larger things like M&Ms, it actually did suck them up really well. It has 34.5 CFMs, which is basically how much air can move per minute, and that goes back to what I'm talking about with the design to make sure there's a strong suction and the noise is noticeably quieter. In comparison to the X8 Pro Omni, the X9 Pro has that blast airflow technology to put to the test. We are going to put some M&Ms on carpet and test them side by side, back to back. And as you can see, the X8 didn't quite get all the M&Ms, whereas the X9 Pro Omni made sure to suck all of them up. So that blast boosted tech is actually working. I've already showed why the X8 Pro's Osmo mop is better than those spinning mops of other robot vacuums, but the X9 Pro takes it even further. The triple lift system will separate dry and wet debris. It can recognize when there is a wet stain on the ground. And as you can see, the brushes will get out of the way once something wet's recognized and will completely avoid getting dirty while mopping. This will make sure liquid messes don't get spread all around your floor when the bristles of the brush get dirty like other robot vacuums will. And this, combined with the Osmo roller mop system, is perfect to keep your floor stain free. You can see the mop lift up and the side brush stop spinning when a specific mess is spotted. Check out how well the X9 Pro handles both dry and wet messes, making sure not to spread anything around. Since the brush lifts and gets out of the way, no wet mess gets on the bristles. The cleaning is very comprehensive and makes sure to get every part of the carpet or floor where the spill is, keeping everything spotless and streak free. Also, I don't have to worry about my carpet getting wet since that roller mop lifts itself up when it goes onto a rug or carpet. The X9 Pro Omni does a great job at sweeping and mopping corners, especially in those hard to get places around furniture as well. The mop will actually extend out to get those hard to reach places. The Osmo roller mopping applies 16 times downward pressure to make sure it's scrubbing the floors clean, and you get instant self-washing mopping technology, which means it will continuously wash itself during the mopping cycle. To make sure the mop's always clean, it will have clean water just cycling through that mop. Also, ECOVACS's zero tangle technology got even better with the main brush having it, but also the side brush, so you have less maintenance. You don't have to keep cleaning up hair, especially if you have someone with long hair or pets around. Now let's do a quick demo and show that off. That Zero Tangle 3.0 got put to the test. I was actually really impressed after running it through cleaning cycles at how little hair and dirt even just got left over on any of the bristles. That outside bristle didn't have any, and it passed really easily. It suctioned up that clump of hair and made sure to not get tangled around that middle roller. On to my favorite part. Let's set up an obstacle course and see how the object recognition works on the DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni and cleaning up a mess. The X9 Pro uses AI and intelligent sensors to recognize objects so it gets out of the way. Specifically, you'll see here with just things on the ground, a brush, even cables. That's the biggest thing. It recognizes cables and avoids them. You don't want those getting tangled. It's using AI VI 3D and a vision language AI to recognize those objects and even obstacles and people as well. The X9 Pro did a great job with our obstacle course and passed fully. It went through. We even set up one with a lot of shoes and other objects. It went and navigated right through them and cleaned up the mess and came back without getting tangled on any cables, running over any shoes. Obviously, your home doesn't just stay dirty. The floors are going to have things on them. It's not a perfect system, so it's great to have more hands-free and not have to worry about anything getting tangled in your Deebot. Oh, also, it recognizes steps. You don't have to worry about it tumbling down the stairs, and this is all automatic, no issues there. And don't forget that Omni Station doesn't just look good, but keeps it hands-free. You can fill up the large water tank with clean water. There's even a dust bag to collect all of the dust, and it's very large, so you don't have to keep replenishing it. It also comes with a detergent, which will automatically mix in with the water, so you don't have to actually measure out anything. Then Omni Station gets up to 63 degrees Celsius of hot air drying, which will prevent odor and mold in the mop. And on top of that, you get a 150-day maintenance-free mop tray. So you only have to clean that mop tray just about twice a year. They even have AI Stain Detection 2.0, which will recognize when there's a sticky spot or something on the ground that it didn't get the first time and go back and re-mop that section. So once it's done cleaning, it will say, hey, did I actually get that spot? And go back. The X9 Pro also has a very slim profile at just 98 millimeters, meaning it can go under your couches if you have a gap or even TV stands, any sort of furniture it needs to slide under. It does a good job at that. The X9 Pro can get to tighter spots than the X8 Pro was able to, so I've noticed a difference. Again, the X8 doesn't quite feature that triple lift technology, so it doesn't know how to separate between dry and wet floors, so it's a really nice perk to have on the X9. The Deebot X9 Pro Omni really has set the bar for robot vacuums. It's nice to see ECOVACS making improvements upon each generation, even from the X8 Pro to the X9 Pro, noticeable improvements. So that's really great to see, and eliminating pain points of robot vacuums, making all the cleaning hands-free. Anyways, safe to say the floors in my house are extremely clean, so the spring cleaning is going very well. I will link to everything down in the description of the video below. Be sure to drop a comment, let me know what you think. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching.